Now, Craig, how do people get started? So I'm going to say how there are probably three steps, not three steps. There are three ways people get started. So the first one is people in their business and they're using HubSpot. What we wanted you to do is download the poster of the framework, right? Review it where you're currently at. You could be in a mixture of stages like we've mentioned. And then once you know where you are, you can identify your priorities and then build a plan for your month ahead or two to get started. Now, secondly, if you're working with a HubSpot partner, what should they do, Craig?
Well, again, feel free to share this with them. So we're making this publicly available as a PDF. Anyone can download it and use it. Our goal for you is that you get the most out of HubSpot. And we feel the framework is a really nice way to help you do that, have a path forward. If you're already working with a HubSpot partner, share it with them. If they can use it with you, great, go for it. And I know there's a lot of partners that actually listen to the podcast as well. So if you are a HubSpot partner and you want to use it with your clients, you can also do that if you find this helpful. And the only stipulation we'd have is don't remove our name from it. I know some people do this. They kind of get a model or a framework, they kind of tweak a few things, remove the original thing. So just keep our name on it. We're not going to try and steal your clients, but it is our IP. We just want to keep our name on it. And also, if you're a partner and you use it, please use it. Please let us know feedback. Of course, this is, I think, version 5 or 6 we're up to now. This will be version 10 before you know it. In fact, even as we were preparing the show today, Ian, you and I were saying, actually, I think we should tweak this bit. It's a little bit confusing here and we can fix it. And there's a new thing to add to it. So every week or so, we're actually updating the framework and we love partners to kind of give us that feedback as well. So please use it. Just keep our branding and credit on it and get the most out of HubSpot with your clients.
That's right. And that's our goal, right? Maximize your investment in HubSpot.